Hey, what's up, guys? So I had a friend on the Fishaholics Facebook page ask me how I mounted my transducer on my kayak. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I rigged it up for the fish finder. So back here we've got the transducer mounted to a piece of PVC, just a zip tie right now. I'm gonna cut a slot in it so we can actually mount it with the screws provided, and we pass the wire up along that pipe and they're zip tied onto that pipe so they don't move. And then up here it comes off the top. I put a little bit of some cushion here so it doesn't move around. And the wires coming in through this little hole here that I drilled, and pass the wire through there. Put some silicone on there to prevent water from going in there. And then it goes up under this railing on the side, up this way, and then up this way around that scupper, around the scupper plug hole there, up here, and then it comes out on this side, which is sealed with some silicone so water doesn't get in there. I got my 4 screw holes here to mount that guy right there. So the silicone seems to have cured, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that through there. We're just going to put the screws on there. At first I had the wire coming in through there, but it was just stupid. I don't know why I thought that'd be a good idea. So just fill it in with some silicone so water won't get in there. So as you guys are wondering what the heck this box is right here, it's my impromptu battery box. It's not very water resistant or anything like that. Probably buy another box and put it in there. But as you can see, we got a 12-volt plug here mounted to the lid, coming out right there. And I just attach it directly to a battery, and then the positive terminal has a little fuse, 30 amp fuse on there. And then I just use that to recharge my GoPros or whatever I need to recharge. And it usually sits back here right behind my seat. In case you're wondering how the fish finder is powered, I have this battery down here. I need to find a way to mount it down there. Probably gonna find some way to waterproof it and stick it to the bottom. Maybe some what do you call it? Velcro strips, industrial strength Velcro strips. So it's just hooked up down there, and then it runs over here, out there. So we'll grab this finder. There's a finder that I bought. I bought it for like $100. It's a cheap one. So that's it right there. Fish finder mounted with the battery down there and the little dry storage. And I got my 12-volt accessory back here, just kind of sitting there. I usually strap it down with some ratchet straps or something, so in case it flips, it doesn't fall out. So there it is. How the zip ties hold up in the water
and I took it out my last trip to the lake, and I pulled the kayak up on the shore a couple times, up on some sketchy terrain, and the transducer seemed to hold up pretty well. Zip ties are actually pretty strong. So there you have it, folks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out all my other videos, and please also feel free to leave comments, give me a like, subscribe if you'd like, and we'll be providing you guys more videos in the future. Good luck out there on the water. Tight lines, folks.